Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are in the world. Hope you guys are having a good day. Welcome back if you're new to the channel. My name is David Sriracha. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, right next to the subscribe button is also this little bell icon. If you don't mind, can you just tap it for a little bit? That way every time when I post a new video, you guys will get notified. So we are at the Hyatt Hill Country Resort in San Antonio, Texas. We made our way here from Houston 2 days ago for a weekend getaway thanks to our friend King Jeffrey. It is a beautiful resort. We're gonna have a good time. We have a lot of good food. So before we get started, I'm just gonna show you guys a room tour, just in case of one day if you guys decided to come here, so you guys have an idea of how the room look like. And before we go, I just want to thanks King Jeffrey, you know, for this. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here today at this resort. So if you ready, let's go. AKA Vamonos. Welcome. So when you get in here, you have your closet area right here. Extra pillows and extra blanket. You got your iron board. You got your safe right here for your personal stuff. Hanger. You got rope for your luggage. And over here, this area, you have your, you know, vanity mirror. I guess you can do your makeup. Some coffee right there. I guess my wife drank it all. So this was here before somebody drank it all, and they do give you some premium coffee too. Starbucks. And over here we got this big old mirror. So you know, so you can check yourself out before going out to dinner. And over here we got the restroom area. Got your sink. Got your tissue paper. Got your more mirror. And down here we have the hair blow dryer, and this is the bathroom area. Towel hanger, toilet. They do provide you with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body soap. And when you are inside the bathtub, it's actually pretty spacious. So I'm gonna turn on the water so you guys can feel the water pressure. You know what? You guys can't feel it, but you know, you guys can see it. And come over here, you have kids. They do provide you with a crib. They were very thoughtful when they brought the crib. They included some baby shampoo, baby lotions, and baby powder as well. I did my best to make the bed so it looks more decent for this video. Got your bed right here. We got two queens, one for the kid and one for us. You see this pillow right here? It's actually it looked like cow skin, but it's not. But it's very comfortable. And yes, indeed, it was very comfortable. My little man loved it. And over here, you got your alarm clock. Got your phone for your room service. Speaking of room service, if you don't want to leave your room to go eat, they got you covered. Simply press 54 on your guest room phone, and here's what they have to offer. They got breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and late night snack 24 hours a day. And of course, for the service, you know they have to charge. And here's the breakdown of the fee. All room service orders are subject to a state and local taxes and a delivery charge of $4 and a service charge of 21%. Service charge including gratuity. Alright, let's order some room service. It took about 20 minutes to get our food, so that was pretty quick. We got the house smoked chicken wings with chilies, lime spice, and the traditional smoked turkey club with french fry. With all the fee, the total for this meal was $44.93. Let's see if it's worth it. Nice. Cook from home.
Mommy, I love baby bird.
Mm. Wow, too much chili. The wings was a bit too salty even when you dip it in ranch. Let's see how the smoked turkey club tastes like.
It's what now?
Very good. I can see why it was $14 for this turkey club. It has so many layers, and indeed it was quite delicious. My wife was enjoying it. Everything was gone in 60 seconds except for a few wings. So you do get 2 free bottles a day. Guess what I'm gonna do with them? I brought my own thing. I'm gonna eat some noodles. My favorite. I don't know what it is, but every time when I stay at a hotel, I have to have some instant noodle before going to bed. Do you guys do this too, or am I the only one? So good. And they have TNT and ESPN so you can watch your favorite sport game. For dessert, we got Korean pear with salt and chili. By the way, I brought these from home. So this concludes the room service part of the video. Let's finish off the room tour. Stuff. Of course, always the Bible. And moving over here, you got the TV, lamp. This is what I like about this resort. It got a mini fridge for you to use, and this freezer has actually worked, so good. And you got more drawer stuff, lots of space, plenty of space for you to use. You got your office desk right there with the lamp, and this is what I'll come with your room. Make sure you ask for these slippers. They're free and they're comfortable. And down here is, they provide for you, but you want to take them with you, they'll charge you to your room. Pad. And got the chair. This is where I watched the Rockets game. We won. Go Rockets. And this is our view from my room. You see how beautiful it is? Woo! I'm gonna miss this place. Anyway, so that's wrap up the hotel room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon.